Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to this channel. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you on how to customize this command button. As you can see, when we point this one, the color will change, and as you observe also, the color of the fonts from color white, it will change to color black, and when we press this one, the color changes to color purple. So how I made this? By the way, if you are new to this channel and wants to learn more about Microsoft Access, please consider subscribing this channel for more informative videos. So now let's start. Let's close this first. First, let us create a form. I don't like this form. I prefer to use navigation form, and I choose to use these vertical tabs. This is the format. Now let us add some tabs. For example, products. Next is customers. Next is vendor or suppliers. Next is employee. Next is reports. Next is accounts. That's it. And next is let us change this into design view. Okay, and let's make this more bigger. Okay, and let us check okay, and then let us change first the color. I don't like this color. Like this one, and it's bold, and it's number 13, and then the format, we can change this to this one. So let us check. Okay, so now let us go to properties. So top padding is we can put 0.1, and then the left padding we can put 0.3. Okay, and the right padding 0.3 also. So here we go. Have to make that 1.3. Okay, let us try. Okay, this is the result. So now let's apply a hover color or the highlight color, and also the freeze color. Let us start first the cover color. Let us highlight that one. Okay. Let's find here the hover color under the format. Hover color, this one. If I want to change this to color, this one, gold, let us check. Okay, when we point this one, the color has changed. Okay, and next I have to show you how to about the press color. When we press the certain button, the color will change. Let us check. Let us go to press color, this one. Like for example, the color will change to this color. So now let us try. Okay, okay, the color changed to mint green, like vendor. Okay, That's it. It has put some design here. Okay. Okay. So there's already a name recall. For example, in product, so this is just employee. Let's put under employee, we can put what? Where's the employee? The employee list, this one. Okay. So when we click the employee, this one. When we click reports, this one. Okay. So I hope you learned from this video, and I hope it helps you a lot. And once again, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, and please click the like button below. That's all, and thank you. See you to my next video.